Next up, on Magriza Mimi Cook.
Imfula yona iqakatheke okungakanani lo?
Singathi vele yona impilo yomuntu omnyama igxile emfuleni.
To the African people, a river has never been just a resource. It is an artery, a living, pulsing connection between the soil we walk upon and the spirits that watch over us.
Khuluma ngomfula uNsezi. uNsezi udabuka phezulu embizingwe ehle abuye azofika achaphe endaweni esibomvu.
Nje umfula uqhatheke kakhulu Mahlangu. Isizakhaya ukuthi kulale nkulumo. Izinkulumo ezikhuluma ngomfula ezibase emphakathini. Inkulumo lezana ziyikugcina umlando womfula.
There is a law written in the current. One should not go backward in life, like a river. A river is the ultimate teacher of forward momentum.
Bezo siba le nkulumo ethi yona akubuyelwa muva. Akubuyelwa muva ungasemfula. Kumbe akubuyelwa muva njengomfula. Umfula awugeleza ubuyele emuva. Inhlanzizo ezingaphambana lamanzi umfula usiyani.
Sinomfula njalo umzingwane njengoba singaphansi kukaMzingwane. Umzingwane udabuka phezulu khona le. Phezulu kwakoRogo emaqaqeni le. Awungani usukhangele uyagqonqomela kobulawa usukhangele eStaramine. Yena ugqonqome sehle size khangela impumalanga.
Across Zimbabwe, these veins of life sustain us, from the mighty thundering Zambezi in the north to the ancient Limpopo in the south. But today, we scale down, leaving the giants behind to find the intimate pulse of the Mzingwane district. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.